Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into a practical guide on how to perform commenting on tasks on Asana. First things first, log into your Asana account. If you don't already have one, it's simple and free to create. This step is important because Asana is the platform where all your tasks and comments will be managed. Once you're logged in, navigate to the specific project that contains the task you want to comment on. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Each project on Asana houses multiple tasks, and your comment needs to be associated with a specific task within a project. Now that we've done that, click on the desired task to open it. Within each task, you'll find a section labeled Add Comment. This specific area is where you'll input your thoughts, suggestions, or feedback related to that task. The reason we do this is to keep all related discussions centralized, making it easier for everyone involved in the task to follow the conversation. Next up, type your comment into the text box. Be as clear and concise as possible. This helps us because clear communication is vital when working in a collaborative environment like Asana. After typing your comment, simply hit the blue comment button to post it. Let me explain why this matters. Your comment will now be visible to all project members, keeping everyone in the loop and fostering a more collaborative workspace. Finally, if you need to edit a comment, just hover over your comment, click the three-dot icon that appears, and select Edit Comment. You can then make the necessary changes and hit Save. This step is crucial to ensure your comments accurately reflect your thoughts and can be modified if needed. And there you have it, folks. Now you're equipped with the knowledge to effectively comment on tasks in Asana. Remember, good communication is the key to successful project management. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in the next tutorial.